Let's take the next one, that is question number 16. The area of the region A equals x comma y, where x square is less than equal to y less than equal to x plus 2. So let's try this question. Here we can first trace it like x-axis, then y-axis, then we have the parabola, which is simply x square equals y, meaning opening upwards like this, right? Then we can draw the line y equals x plus 2. When you put x equals 0, y is 2. When you put y equals 0, x is minus 2. So you can draw the line something like this one. Correct? Now, you need to mark important points. The question says you have to find the area bounded by these two. So what we require for this purpose, we actually need this point of intersection. We need this point of intersection. Correct? So let's find out the point of intersection of parabola and line. So put here in the parabola x square equals y, substitute y as x plus 2. Take it on the left hand side and factorize as x square minus x minus 2 equals 0. So we can factorize as x minus 2 into x plus 1 equals 0. So the value for x, it is minus 1 and 2. So this is minus 1, this is 2. So simply we need to integrate now within the boundaries of minus 1 to 2, first to the line minus the parabola. So the required area is minus 1 to 2 x plus 2 minus x square dx, right? Now integrate it, so we are getting result as x square by 2 plus 2x minus x cube by 3 minus 1 to 2. So let's put here the limits. 1 by 2 of 4 minus 1, then plus 2 times 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 times 8 plus 1. Just simplify it to get the result 9 by 2 square units as the final result. So let's check from the given options. 9 by 2, that is option number 3, is the correct answer. So I'm sure this is clear. Let's move on to the next one. If the line y equals mx plus 7 root 3 is a normal to the hyperbola, then a value of m is. See, if you have a line like Lx plus my plus n equals 0, normal to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equals 1, then the simple condition is a square by l square minus b square by m square is equal to a square plus b square whole square divided by n square. Simply substitute the values over here. You can see a square is 24, b square is 18. So let's write down the result. Here you have 24, here you have 18. Now L square and M square, that is from coefficients of the x and y in line, it is M and minus 1. So let's put here divided by M square divided by minus 1 square, that is simply 1, is equal to a square plus b square whole square, that is 24 plus 18, that is 42 square divided by n square. Now what is n? N is 7 root 3. So square is 49 into 3, right? So we need to simplify it to get the value for m. As m square equals 4 by 5 or m equals 2 by root 5. So let's see from the given options. 2 by root 5, that is option number 1, is correct one. Let's move on to the next one. Let alpha beta be the roots of the equation x square plus x plus 1 equals 0. That is, we can take omega and omega square. Then y not equal to 0 in R, we have to simplify this determinant. For this equation, we can simply say roots, that means omega and omega square. For alpha and beta we can put, for any of the two you can put omega or omega square. So we are getting here y plus 1 omega omega square omega y plus omega square 1 omega square 1 y plus omega. Right. Now if I apply the operation like C1 replaced with C1 plus C2 plus C3, what we will be getting? We will simply be getting y plus 1 plus omega square throughout the first column, which can be taken common, right? So we get here y plus 1 plus omega square. But what is 1 plus omega square? That is 0. So simply we have y outside and the first column has 1 1 1. Rest same, that is omega y plus omega square 1 omega square 1 and y plus omega. That's clear how we are getting the result. Okay, now applying R2 replaced with R2 minus R1 and R3 replaced with R3 minus R1, we get y multiplied with the determinant 1 0 0 omega y plus omega square minus omega 1 minus omega omega square 1 minus omega square y plus omega minus omega square. So this is what we are getting here. Now just expand it along the first column. We get here y multiplied with product of the two minus product of these two. So let's write down y plus omega square minus omega multiplied with y plus omega minus omega square minus 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square. That's clear. Just simplify it, you get the result changing to y cube, because 1 plus omega square is 0 and omega cube is 1. So here the result is y cube. Let's see from the given options. Yes, it is available here as option number 4. So let's mark it as our correct answer. Let's move on to the next one.